Coolio. Yeah, Coolio is dead at 59 years old. I saw this on Twitter, and I mean, this is not a person that I've been following closely recently, but massive hits. Hit?
Mm-hmm.
Gangster's Paradise.
Yeah.
Oh, spending most our lives living in this Gangster's Paradise. I mean, that's like iconic. It's so iconic of that time period.
Michelle Pfeiffer.
Well, I see where you're going with it, but
it's a great movie.
It's so iconic of that time. You saw Weird Al posting about it. He had the parody of it.
Amish Paradise.
Yeah, he had the parody of it. He posted a picture of himself hugging Coolio. But yeah, man, just wow. What an era. Tommy Boy Records. What year was that, Will? Gangsta's Paradise. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of the death. 95. Yeah. Wow. And the video, too.
Yeah.
With the shadows and things like
Very
that.
ominous.
Oh, yeah. Coolio's talent manager tells TMZ we are saddened by the loss of our dear friend and client Coolio, who passed away Wednesday afternoon. He touched the world with the gift of his talent and will be missed profoundly. Law enforcement sources tell TMZ no drugs or drug paraphernalia were found at the scene of Coolio's death. An autopsy and toxicology test will be used to determine an official cause. Yeah, so this happened, 4 p.m. yesterday, I guess?
Yeah.
59. Not super old.
No.
But, the heart attacks, it can happen.
Mm-hmm.
You never know. You wait for the autopsy report, see if anything else was going on. But, R.I.P. Coolio.